Why did I think this was going to be an easy little YA? Because it ended up exceeding my expectations. Welcome to part 16 of reading sci-fi fantasy books everyone but me has read. Dystopian counts as sci-fi, right? I read and watched the original trilogy as they came out, so I remember loving them but not the details, and so I didn't expect the amount of depth there would be in this. I loved the politics driving everything and how layered the characters were. I also did immersion reading for some of this, so listening to the audiobook while reading the physical book, and that really leveled up my experience. Now, I gave this 4 stars because I didn't love how the narrative and character arcs concluded. However, I'd still recommend this to anyone that's read The Hunger Games. I enjoyed it overall, and I've heard that Sunrise on the Reaping is even better, so I can't wait to get to that. Have you read The Hunger Games prequels, and what did you think?